Welcome to visit our factory online trade show, Yuxinda Metal Products Factory. I'm Luis.
I'm Marina.
Yes, let's begin.
Okay.
So our factory history, right?
Of course.
Okay. You can see this our culture wall, and you can see our history. Since 2007, we founded, and first our factory name Chengyu Hardware Manufacturer Factory, and then in the start we just make patch fitting and floor string like that. And 2011, we have set up Henan ncyionx company, which charge for the import and export business, money for export our products.
That's great.
Yeah, and 2015, we founded our famous brand ncyionx, and also in same time, Yuxinda Metal Products Company Limited has set up same time, and our production line enlarged for the glass door handles and showroom fittings and sliding systems like this. And then 2019, we founded Chengyuxuan Silicon Rubber Products Factory. We also have another factory, not here. That's money products for silicon rubber products, such like the some the silicon for the baby, for the life. That's another thing, not the same as our present products.
So that we have a lot of experience of hardware.
Yes.
How about the factory culture?
Our factory culture, we have insist grateful and united, honest. You know, the business honest is the base.
Yes.
And also, we have professional. We are professional. You know, we have more than 15 years experience in the glass hardware, and also we are pursued the best, do everything best, and also then we can win. Our win, customer win, and we can go long futures.
This is our advantage.
Yes.
What is our main product?
Our money products now, you can see here the door control hardware, like such as floor spring, patch fitting, and locks. And this year our door closer also sells very good.
So great.
Yes. And then these years after we move here, before we are a little smaller. Now we move big factory, and then our production line more mainly the Lexus, the high quality glass door handle, and also for the small fittings such as the shower hinge, glass clamp, and for the small fittings such like this. Yeah. Now, lots of products, but we insist good quality.
Great.
Yeah, and also price also good. Okay.
How much is our factory?
Our factory now more than 5,000 square meters.
Can you show me the production line?
Yeah, we can go together.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
What is this product for?
This is the tuber for our glass door handle, for our handles. And
Door
some
handles.
Also for the sliding truck, the tuber. You can size
Tube size.
32, and the thickness minute. Our tuber, one size will be put one place, and also will be marked the material, which material type. Yes. And for here, cutting, automatic cutting.
Automatic cutting.
So we no need so much more work. This work is by
Yes.
itself. Yeah. That's it. one.
That can make the handle quickly.
Yeah, we have two automatic and one is half automatic. Yeah, let's see. This for one, this for with another one, and this normally cut for the square tuber. This is normally cut square tuber. You know the square tuber that need to have 45 degree.
Okay.
This cut 45 degree. And check. This is a square foot. There's square foot.
Oh.
Yeah, like this.
Yes.
It's will be welded. It's cut very good for fixed.
It cut greatly.
Yes. And this after will be welded and polished. This is just a sample. Just a sample. This sample show here cut. We need to use this standard quality because here cut must be very strict, very exactly the
Yes.
degree.
Yes.
Yeah. That's if not like this, it will be wasted.
Yes. What is this machine?
This machine for drill hole.
Oh.
You know the handle need to make a hole to hole size. This automatic machine for make the hole. Same time drill the two holes. That's exactly size. That's not easy for make mistake because the size make fixed. So after it cut the hole, it will be stopped. Hole to hole fixed. After they drill about 10 or 20 pieces, they will be make a mirror there. Will be checked. That's exactly
yes.
or not. You know, sometimes maybe the machine have problem.
Yes.
Yes. After maybe 20 or 15 like this, they will be check the size right or not. You see, that's a small handle for the shower room. A small handle. It's very smaller. And here make the hole. This hole will be fixed the two together. Like this.
How are the selling of this product?
It's not very good because it's smaller and look very how to say smart. Like that. Automatic drill hole for the S type, not the stripe tube. Several they need mirrored check right or not right.
Can you tell me the CNC machine?
Yeah, this CNC machine we make many small parts for the like some for the handle insert the aluminum and the brass. Some we make the screw, stainless steel screw, and now make the goods is the aluminum knob. This can make many type of products, such like the sliding small fittings. Also use this machine.
Amazing.
Yes. Okay, you can check. Now it's for the small aluminum knob. Okay. For here is welding. You know, normally for this special type, that must be welding by hand.
Oh, I see.
And we also have an automatic machine for welding. That's just welding the straight tube. Now, do you know this room for what?
What? For what?
Guess.
For finish?
Yes, yes. Here is our polish room. Polish. We have polishing machine. Polishing workers make the surface, make polish.
Can you show me there?
Yeah. Okay. Let's go. I will show you our glass door handle fixed product line.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Okay. Here, here is our package and fixed one. This
Group.
one, this two group, these three groups. We have three groups here. You can check. When they fixed, they will be mirrored the whole to whole size.
Yes.
Yeah. If right or not, if right will be fixed. If not right, they will be take out.
They make the product quickly.
Yeah.
So quickly.
Yeah. Let me show you our testing area. You can see here will be check the polish. First, she will be check the polish okay or not. If the polish have scratch, if have setting, sand, and she will be make mark like this. Like this. This no good. Will be reback the polish line. Will be make polishing again. Yeah. We 100% make testing.
So we can control the quality greatly.
Yes, yes, we control quality very good. And here for make the insert the nut.
Nut.
Yeah, I will be show you. Our handle for before mix the food, it will be made put into a nut. This can be fixed very good.
It's better than other products.
Yes, yes, yes. That's not easy move and fixed more better. Here is our warehouse. One of our warehouse.
It's so big.
Yeah, this the finished goods. Here is waiting for shipping, and this some we make stocks. Some stocks after polish will be put here. Some other when got other will be fixed very quickly. Yeah. Yes, and for this area you can see. For this area, it's waiting for shipping. Will be load the goods today, so the works just can be take here the goods for loading. This for loading, and for this place they are waiting. They are tomorrow or after tomorrow shipping. Put here today. Here the area. This area just for the
Shipment. For
yeah,
the shipment.
yeah, for shipment. For example, if today loader will be put here. If today no loader will be not put here. Here just for loading goods.
Oh, I see.
So our works will be calculate and check the goods before day. For example, this goods today. Loading. Yesterday they already make a count how many pieces
Yes.
and how many cartons and put here. So today will be loaded very quickly. Just put into the container is okay.
Yes, prepare.
Yes, yes.
Prepare
yes.
for the loading.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay.